In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom knowledge to your Lovable project. This process is a fabulous way to tailor your project and enhance its functionality by adding specific guidelines or instructions. We'll break it down into simple steps to ensure you can follow along with ease. So let's dive into it. First things first, we'll start by heading over to the Lovable website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL lovable.dev. Once you're on the home page, you'll be greeted with a simple and intuitive interface. Next, you need to select your project. You should see a list of your existing projects on the dashboard, each with its own unique name and details. Click on the project to which you want to add custom knowledge. This will guide you into the familiar workspace where you can manage various aspects of your project. Once you're inside your project, glance towards the top of the screen and find the File drop-down menu. Click on it and a menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. It can be a small click, but it makes a big difference as it opens up an array of options to tailor your project. After clicking on Settings, you'll find a section labeled Knowledge. This is where the magic happens. Click on Knowledge and you'll be directed to a new page. Here is where you can add or modify the information specific to your project. Now you have the opportunity to put in your instructions or guidelines. This is the space where you can add all the pertinent information that you want associated with your project. Take your time to enter everything you need, ensuring it is clear and comprehensive, and this can include best practices, specific details relevant to your project, or any guidelines that would be helpful for anyone using this project. Once you've entered all the necessary information, the final step is to click on the Save button. This is crucial because if you forget to save, all your work will be lost and you'll have to start again. So make sure you save your new knowledge before exiting the page, and there you have it. You've successfully added custom knowledge to your Lovable project. This simple yet effective method allows for better project management and enhances the understanding for anyone involved. Remember, adding the right kind of information will not only help you achieve your objectives, but also ensure anyone who uses your project fully understands its scope and details. That wraps up our guide today. I hope you found these steps easy to follow. Adding this personal touch will surely add value to your project. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy project customization.